Don't worry, I'm with my short. I'm wearing my short. So, okay, next. So I have this night because I have a vacation going to Singapore. It's just a few days, but still I can make a costume video and also a video for you guys. So I make video before I leave. And I have this white because the reason I bought this one is because it's very comfortable for walking, and this is $100 here in the Philippines. So that's about 5,000 pesos. Okay, I'm gonna just try it on. So I use white because I can pair it with the other outfit that I have. Okay, before we try this on, I'm going to wear the... So I also have my socks here, and I have my followers that wants to see me wearing socks. So I have now is 3 pairs. Just gonna throw it here. Okay, I just have to remove my two rings because I have my socks. So this is gray and white, and I also have black and white. Take off. So next, this is also dark gray because I have 3 pairs of this one. It's a set. It's very comfortable socks. It's very soft. The bird is calling. It's very noisy. Oh, it's matching with gray and black. So I have to take off this one and change to the gray socks, dark gray. Well, that's how it looks like. And next is the black. I like it doing hanging my feet like this because it's very comfortable feeling than just this one, and I think it's more nice like this so that you can see my feet. And then next is the black stocking. Stocking. black, black socks. Next time I'm gonna try on stockings. For now it's the socks. So okay, now I have these black socks and I'm gonna try my shoes. So this one is very comfortable shoes. So we're done with it, and I'm going to take off my shoes. Take off the socks. Off the shoes and take off the socks. So I'm gonna work with this. Well, that's all. Well, that's all for now, and see you again next video. Love you all.